Meanwhile, a Dickinson County man was charged with a false report of terrorism. He's now in district court.
And Kyle Holmberg was arrested Sunday, September 24th. The Michigan State Police say its tip line was notified that Holmberg mentioned attacking an elementary school in Dickinson County. In court, Holmberg waived his right to a preliminary hearing, and Holmberg's attorney requested his bond be amended.
We are requesting that Mr. Holmberg, with the holidays coming up, be allowed to have contact with his sister's children, with his sister and her husband supervising that contact.
Holmberg is set to appear in circuit court November 20th.